Namaskar, I am Mrinmoy on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. Welcome you all in this great idea sharing platform that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today I am here again back with you to share a fascinating and innovative idea from the state UP for class 2 chapter 2 English. The name of the idea is naming method, and the implementation period or the time for this idea in the classroom is 20 minutes. So let's see how far it is innovative and why it is innovative. Innovation is bringing here the ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy. This idea helps in building interconnections among the concepts being taught in the class by actual name with allotted name for a particular time period. Now, what kind of concepts can be covered through this? We will see. Concepts that can be covered, right? Shapes, naming words, describing word, right? Shapes and colors, etc. Now, the educator need to give certain instructions before the activity need to be conducted on a particular date or on a particular class. So what kind of instructions the educator need to give? They choose individual names based on the words in the lesson for each students. The names chosen should have scope for value education or value addition. Assign these names to students. These names will be assigned to the students after 2 days and add value to the name by defining it. Further, for example, concepts can be used as a name such as for the name students as student 1 chair, student 2 table, student 3 pencil, student 4 eraser, and so on. After 2 days, the students will then add a describing word. So student 1 will now be a blue chair. What kind of chair? Blue chair. Okay, students 2 will be adding the word value of it, that is what kind of table it is. It is a study table, right? Certain peer arrangements needed for this activity need to be conducted, like the educator needs to make the pre-arrangements in the classroom. Chits draw. There are certain chits draw with various shapes like square, triangle, circle, rectangle, and many color names such as red, green, blue, etc. Revising the concept of shape, mean, and naming words through visualizing under the idea of theme-based attendance, like ensure the reading story, building an explanation of the various concepts have been done before naming the students. Initiate the process by naming through following process. Inform the student that they will be given new names based on the lesson. They will be given new names based on the lesson. Now, convey that they have to identify their names given in the chits. Distribute the chits with shapes. Initiate a discussion to identify the shapes in the chits. Name the shapes that are drawn in your chit. Possible response like triangle, square, rectangle, etc. State that the name identified by them will be their new names, that is for 2 days, and will be addressed by the friends or the educators or the classmates and other people as well. Ask the students to attach the chit on their t-shirt so that it will be visible to other students or other friends as well. The process will continue by addressing the students by their allotted names for 2 days. For example, student 1 triangle, student 2 square, student 3 circle, etc. Conclude the process by adding new information along with the previous names. What will be the new information? For example, triangle to sandwich, okay, because the shape of the sandwich is equal to triangle only. Square to carom. How carom board is, the shape of the carom board is of square, right? Circle to wheel, okay, rectangle, pencil box, etc. Okay, this will lead to a revision of concepts, shapes, and colors. Okay, so what kind of learning outcomes the students can achieve from this? that is, they will be able to compose and write simple short sentences with space between words, use simple adjectives, shape, color, weight, textures such as red, pink, round as per the shape, square as per the shape, etc. Express verbally his or her own opinion and questions about the character, storyline, etc. Okay, this activity will encourage students to find out more about the name assigned to them. Okay, this activity ensures that active participation of students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as mentioned in NCF 2005. And the people teacher ratio is constant here of 30:1, and the total duration, as I have already mentioned, it is 20 minutes. And if as per the availability of the students in the class, the teacher can reshuffle or reframe the timing for the activity. Thank you for listening to my video, and I hope in the near future we will be coming up with more innovative ideas like this. And make sure to subscribe our channel of ZIIEI and press the bell icon to get future updates. And please download the app of Innovative Pathshala and access and enjoy Babel. Thank you very much for listening to my video.